Hej drenge. Jeg vil lige bruge lidt tid på at læse jeres lektier igennem for jer, og så kan I læse efter mig. Jeg laver en lille pause efter hver sætning. Og vi starter med billede nummer 1. Picture number 1. Noodles. Can I have some noodles, please? Så gentager jeg efter mig. Can I have some noodles, please? Small, large or very large? Small, please. Here are your noodles. And here are some chopsticks. Thank you. Picture number 2. Can I have some noodles, please? Small, large or very large? Large, please. Here are your noodles. And here are some chopsticks. Thank you. Can I have some noodles, please? Small, large or very large? Very large, please. Here are your noodles. And here are some chopsticks. Can I have a fork, please? Here is a fork. Thanks. Og vi fortsætter på side 2, eller 2 og 23 heden. Tekst B. Picture number 1. Can I have a sausage and some bread, please? Large or small? Large, please. Here is your sausage and some bread. Thank you. Here is some salt. Thank you. I like salt. And here is some pepper. Thank you. I like pepper. Picture number 4. Here's some mustard. Thank you. I love mustard. Picture number 5. Here's some cold water. I like water. And I love sausages. Det var det. Så kan I tage den her lille video et par gange, så I lige får styr på udtalen og få det øvet lidt. Vi ses. Hej.